In this 90-second Photoshop tip, I'm going to show you how to match the canvas size of another document in Photoshop. We're going to work with two documents. The first document is the PSD for this video's YouTube thumbnail. It is 1920 by 1080. The second document is a Pinterest image from a previous tutorial. It is 600 by 1260. To make the canvas size of my YouTube thumbnail the same pixel dimensions as my Pinterest document without affecting the layers, you need to go into Image, Canvas Size. While the Canvas Size dialog box is open, go into the Window menu, and at the very bottom of the menu list, you will see the file names of the currently open documents. In this case, I only have two documents open, so I will only see those two file names: YouTube thumbnail.psd and Pinterest image.psd. Keep an eye out on the width and height input boxes. When I select the Pinterest document from the dropdown, the width and height will automatically populate in the input boxes. You can then press OK, then proceed, and the YouTube thumbnail document will resize to match the size of the Pinterest image. But notice that the layers remain unaffected, and you can then adjust them accordingly to fit within the new document dimensions. By the way, this technique will also work with the image size command in the image menu. Click on the like button now if this feature was new to you.